Duba Plains, Botswana. Two lion prides share a floodplain rich with buffalo. The Saro pride controls the north. The Skimmer pride holds the south. For years, an uneasy border kept the peace. Then the rains failed. Buffalo concentrated around shrinking water sources. Both prides needed the same hunting grounds. The war began with probing attacks. Males from Saro crossed into Skimmer territory and killed 2 cubs. Skimmer males retaliated within a week, ambushing a Saro female and leaving her crippled. Lions conduct warfare at night. Raiding parties cross enemy lines, targeting the vulnerable. Cubs die first. Then isolated females. Then wounded males. Over 18 months, both prides lost half their members. Every cub born during the conflict was killed by the opposing side. The Saro pride eventually collapsed. Survivors scattered. Skimmer took the territory. Victory cost them 4 adults and 9 cubs, 60% of the next generation, erased by their own species. Yellowstone National Park, the most studied wolf population on Earth. Researchers have documented every pack, every territory, every death for over 25 years. The data reveals something brutal. Wolves don't die from starvation. They don't die from disease. Wolves die from other wolves. 65% of adult wolf mortality in Yellowstone comes from inter-pack conflict. They kill each other more than everything else combined. The Druid Peak Pack once numbered 37 wolves, the largest pack ever recorded in Yellowstone. They controlled the richest elk territory in the park. Their dominance made them targets. Neighboring packs formed what researchers called coalitions of convenience. Smaller packs that normally avoided each other began coordinating, attacking druid wolves caught alone, killing scouts, eliminating breeding females. Within 3 years, the Druid Peak Pack was gone. 37 wolves reduced to 0. Not by hunters, not by disease, by other wolves who wanted what they had. Gombe Stream National Park, Tanzania, 1974. Jane Goodall had studied the Kasakela chimpanzee community for 14 years. She knew every individual. She had documented their personalities, their friendships, their family bonds. Then, the community split. 7 males and 3 females broke away to form the Kahama community in the Southern Territory. Former friends, former allies, now enemies. What followed was the first documented war in non-human primates. Kasakela males organized patrol parties. They moved silently into Kahama territory, searching for isolated individuals. When they found one, they attacked as a group, held the victim down, beat them, bit them, twisted limbs until bones broke. They didn't kill quickly. They killed slowly, leaving victims to die over hours or days. One by one, every Kahama male was hunted down and killed. Godi, beaten for 20 minutes, died of wounds. Day, attacked by 5 males, died within days. Goliath, a former alpha found with over 40 wounds. By 1978, the Kahama community was extinct. Every male dead. Females absorbed into Kasakela. Goodall wrote that she had witnessed something she never believed possible. Chimpanzees waging deliberate, premeditated war against their own kind. California. A war has been raging for over a century. Trillions of soldiers, millions of casualties every day, no end in sight. The Very Large Colony and the Lake Hodges Colony are 2 Argentine ant supercolonies occupying Southern California. Genetically similar, behaviorally identical. Mortal enemies. Where their territories meet, a permanent battle line stretches for kilometers. Ants from each side attack on contact. No negotiation, no retreat, just constant, grinding warfare. Researchers estimate 30 million ant deaths per year along this single front. Both colonies replace losses faster than they accumulate them. The war sustains itself. Neither side gains ground. Neither side loses ground. This conflict has continued for
over 100 years. The same battle, the same border, generation after generation of soldiers dying for territory that never changes hands. Humans think we invented total war. Ants perfected it millions of years before we existed. Every winter, northern elephant seals return to California beaches to breed. Males arrive first, 2,000 kilograms each. They fight for beach position. The best positions mean access to females. Access to females means genetic legacy. The fighting is relentless. Bulls slam into each other with enough force to shatter bones. They bite faces, necks, flippers. Blood pools on the sand. A dominant male might fight 50 times in a single season. He accumulates scars, infections, exhaustion. Many die from wounds before the season ends. The top 4% of males father 85% of all pups. 90% of males never breed at all. They fight their entire lives and lose. This isn't survival of the fittest. This is civil war, where almost everyone loses. Lions annihilate rival prides. Wolves hunt their own to extinction. Chimpanzees wage campaigns of systematic murder. Ants fight wars that last longer than human civilizations. Seals bleed and die for beach space. Civil war isn't a human invention. It's an evolutionary constant. Resources are limited. Competition is eternal. When the enemy looks exactly like you, the war becomes personal. Nature doesn't recognize peace treaties. It doesn't honor surrender. It rewards the faction that remains standing when the other stops moving. 5 species, 5 wars, 1 truth. The most dangerous enemy often shares your own blood. Did you watch how one gorilla actually catch a lion? Click here to watch it now.